Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Steam and Wallpaper engine are up to date, because version mismatches often cause startup errors. Once done, run Steam as administrator and verify Wallpaper engine's files to repair corrupted packages. Make sure overlays like Steam or Discord are off. They hook into the renderer and can crash Wallpaper processes. Also temporarily disable antivirus or add exceptions so the engine can access files and GPU. This gets you past most permission and file integrity issues quickly. You now tackle deeper conflicts that survive basic checks. Update your GPU drivers with a clean install so old driver remnants aren't causing GPU API errors. Then force the engine to a stable renderer, switch between DirectX 11, DirectX 12, and open GL from settings or by adding launch options. This resolves many graphical crashes. Next, inspect running apps like capture tools, screen recorders, or custom shells which inject DLLs. Close them or remove their auto start to isolate the problem. You finish by reinstalling Wallpaper engine cleanly if earlier steps failed. Backup settings, uninstall, delete the app data folder, and reinstall from Steam to clear persistent config corruption. Next, test with a simple static wallpaper first, then gradually reapply custom animated projects to pinpoint a bad file or asset. If issues persist, enable developer logging, collect crash logs and timestamps, and use that info when asking the community or support. One key tip is to always test with a default wallpaper before blaming system components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.